Hello friends, I am your course instructor Professor Anisa Shikalgar. Here we are with the another example of the push down automata a raised to n, b raised to m plus n and c raised to n. In previous example we have seen a raised to m plus 1. Similar to that, here only b raised to m plus n and a raised to n, c raised to n. Means what here, whatever the number of a's plus number of b's, that number should occupy for the b. So here what we are going to do, same we will take one example, suppose a, b, b, b and c, c. Number of a 1, number of c 2, 1 plus 2 it is 3, therefore number of b should be 3. So what we are going to do here students, number of a we are going to push into the stack. So at the start our stack is empty, so a will be pushed into the stack up to when we are going to push the elements until we obtain the first b. So after inserting the first element, here in that particular string we have obtained our first b. So when I obtain the first b, top of the stack is a, so we will perform the pop operation. So for that b, here that a will be popped off. Okay, so when I again obtain the b, but the top of the stack is now z0. So when I obtain b but top of the stack is a, at that time only we are going to perform the pop. When I obtain the b but top of the stack is z0, that means our stack is empty, and in that case what we are going to do, we are going to push that particular element. So again that b we are now pushing into the stack. Now here when our symbol is b, top of the stack is again b. So here for that particular we are going to push the b into the stack. Then up to when we are performing that pushing, when we obtain first c, so we will stop pushing and start popping. So c, top of the stack is b and we will perform the pop operation. Top of the stack is now pop. Again next symbol is c, top of the stack is b, we are performing the pop operation, that b will be popped off. So here now if we observe our stack is empty and we reached at the end of the string, so likewise here that particular string will be accepted. So see here student, this is our state transition diagram for the context free language a raised to n, b raised to m plus n and c raised to m. So here already I told you the logic how we are going to perform that particular. So at the q0 step, at q0 we are considering number of a's. So number of a, so first a will be inserted when the stack is empty. So by using that particular condition we are pushing the first a into the stack. Then second onwards number of a's we are pushing into the stack by using that particular condition, because at the first a top of the stack is z0, at the second a top of the stack is a. Then up to when we are performing that, when we obtain the first b, so here it is, so we will move in that direction. So when I obtain first b and if the top of the stack is a, it is very important students, when I obtain b but top of the stack is a, then and then only we are performing the pop. But if top of the stack is b, if the input alphabet is b and top of the stack is z0, then we are pushing the elements. So it is about the top of the stack. Top of the stack a means pop, top of the stack is z0 or b means we are pushing the elements. So here, so that these two conditions are applied for the pop operation, then our stack becomes empty. After that, in empty stack we are adding again remaining number of b's. So first b will be added by using that condition and second onwards b are adding by that condition. Then that will be here applicable up to we obtain our first c. So here we obtain our first c, so we will move in that particular direction from q1 to q2. We have obtained the c into the string. Top of the stack now obviously b, because here the stack becomes empty and we have inserted number of b's, means top of the stack is b now and we are going to perform the pop operation. So the same condition is here on that particular loop. So the stack becomes empty and the here input symbol is null, top of the stack is Z0 and the stack contents are Z0. So we will see the transition function, then you can easily understand the particular example. So see here students, transition function. So for which string? Here we will consider the same string, that is A, B, B, B and C, C. For that particular string we will consider the transition function. So first it is A, first input symbol is A and we are at the initial state. At that time top of the stack is Z0. So we reach at the Q0 and the stack contents are looking as the AZ0, which is our next input symbol. It is again A, top of the stack is now, sorry, here the next input symbol we are having is B. See here students, the next input symbol we are having B, top of the stack is A. So we reach at the Q1 state and we are performing the pop operation. So A, after that second B. Now here if I observe, we are at the Q1 state, our input symbol is B, top of the stack is Z0, means we are pushing the elements. So on symbol B we reach at the Q1 state and the stack contents are BZ0. Now the third B. So delta Q1, input symbol is B, top of the stack is B, input symbol B, top of the stack B, means again we reach at the Q1 state and the stack contents are looking as a BB. Now the next input symbol is C. So students here delta, we reach at the Q1 state, input symbol is C and on obtaining input symbol C, here top of the stack is B, we are performing the, we reach at Q2 state and we are performing the pop operation. So delta here Q2, one more C is there, C, top of the stack is B, we are at the Q2 state and perform the pop operation. Again delta, now we are at the Q2 state, on input null, top of the stack is Z0, we reach at the Q final and top of the stack contents are Z0. So if I observe that particular, here what does it means? Q final means we are at the acceptance state and the stack is empty. Therefore that particular string is accepted in that push down automata. So students, here we are having that particular context free language. For that context free language we have designed the state transition diagram and the transition function. So in the next video we will see one more example of the push down automata. Thank you students.